Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to unboxing coffee grinder. I buy this company Homix. This is coffee grinder, espresso grinder. So today I'm going to unboxing this one. If you're new here, so please subscribe my channel. So let's start this video. So guys, let's start unboxing. I'm still not unboxing. First time I'm going to unbox this coffee grinder. It is 180 watts, 180 per milli system, customizable, 2 years warranty. This interface like this, made in China. This catalog, user guide, and warranty card. This tray and this cover. This one coffee grinder, espresso grinder. One jug for espresso beans. So this is our espresso grinder. Next time I will show you how to review and how to remove the espresso fine and coarse for make cappuccino. So next video I will show you like this. So thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and if you new here, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz. Masalam.